Let's just get the parsley done out of the way. So I'm gonna bring you over to the sink for this part. I'm gonna show you this. We're doing the parsley because last week we had somebody ask me about tips for cutting parsley. So tonight we're doing parsley. But look how sad my parsley looks. I've been having it out all day since I prepped this morning, and it's like all like limp. Look at that. But anyway, it's still gonna work. It's all good. It's hearty. And it's like all like intermixed here as well for some reason. So you have a bunch of parsley. What I want you to do, and you don't need a salad spinner or any of that jazz, just grab your bunch of parsley by the stems like this. Take the top part, the curly part, and just twist it and rip it off. So it's not even washed yet, not even washed, okay? Get your cold water going. And this stuff is hardy, okay? Really, really hardy. Just hold it in your hands as the cold water is running through your fingers to get rid of any sand, any dirt, any bugs, right? Just let the water go through so it's thoroughly rinsed. And this stuff is so hardy, the next thing I want you to do, don't put it in a salad spinner. You don't need to do that. Just wring it out in your hand like it's a towel. Just squeeze it as hard as you can. It's not going to bruise. It's not going to do anything. And that's the fastest way to wash parsley. And go over to the board here. Let me just dry my hands real quick. And these stems, I'll just put in my stock pot bag for soup or something. Or you can compost them if you want. But for cutting our parsley really fast, I just got a little dish I'm gonna put it in when I'm done. Here's the trick. So some people just have the parsley like scattered out on the board. I mean, these bigger stems, hey, if you wanna take them off, if you got some bigger stems, you could do that. The smaller stems, don't worry about it. They're completely edible. But a lot of people just scatter on their board and they're chopping and they're chopping and they're chopping and they're chopping. It takes them forever to get small little tiny bits of parsley for garnish. So what I want you to do instead is bunch it up really tight, okay, as tight as you can. And then just do thin cuts with your knife. And because it's bunched up tight, watch your fingers. Because it's bunched up tight, you're gonna get a lot more cuts with every pass of the knife. And look at it, just shreds. It's so easy. You just have to readjust, make sure it's tight again. After you do a few cuts, roll it over, make sure it's tight. Roll it over, make sure it's tight. Okay, keep doing that. And then when you get to the last bit, just pull your fingers away, and all you have to do is just chop that last bit, okay? So instead of having to chop like this for the whole bunch, you're just doing it for that last bit. And look at this. This is all like shredded. It's so fast and so easy. And then we're just gonna take our nice little portion cup here and reserve that for our garnish at the very end. How much time you save by doing little tricks like that, right?